Brooke? I'm taking you to breakfast. You're surprised, probably.
And then we're taking the boy.
Yeah.
Which is totally going to be surprised.
We're gonna surprise him. Yeah.
Does it look good?
You guys are matching.
I know.
That's awesome. Alright, Brooke, well, I think your swim stuff is packed, so we're gonna go head out.
Wake up, Boo.
I'm tired. I was the same thing, okay? I was tired.
She was so surprised.
She was like...
Ava was surprised. Alright.
Alright.
Let's head out.
I didn't use the
Do it.
blankets over my head.